Good morning, children. Today in our math class, we'll see unit number 4, measurements. Okay. So in this measurements, you have three types: measuring length, that is to find the length of any objects using scale or any other thing. Okay. And measuring weight and measuring capacity. Weight is for the things which the household things and grocery items like that. You will be measuring with the weight, and measuring capacity is normally will be measure the liquids. Okay. So now today we are going to see about length, how to measure the length. So in this you have two types of units. One is non-standard unit and the other one is standard unit. Standard unit means it is a fixed one. Okay. So for example, if you have taken a scale, so your friend might have different scale and you might have different scale. It will be according to the company. Okay. So but each and every scale will show you the same length. Okay. So it is standard, it is fixed, it is constant. But coming to non-standard units, in those olden days they and also now they'll be using this one non-standard units, which will be differing from person to person. Okay. So using our body parts like our hands, legs, fingers, so you will be using that. So your father's hand and your hand are not the same. So the size will be varying. Yes or no? So the non-standard units will be varying from person to person. But the standard units are the same for everything. So one might have, one should have a Nadraj scale or Camlin scale. So each and every scale will be showing the same measurement. So it will not differ, only the company differs. Clear? So this is the difference between non-standard and standard unit. Clear? So we measure the length of the objects using non-standard units such as finger width. See here. So in your fingers you have lines, right? So see the first line, that will be once you will be saying that as 1 inch, 1 centimeter, like that. Okay. So it also will be differing from person to person. Pace, you are walking, right? That length. So length using your walk. So hand span, from this finger to this finger. Okay, so from the first finger to the last finger. So that is hand span. So if you are measuring like this, that is hand span. Foot span. So using your foot, the length of your foot, using your length of the foot is foot span. And cubit. Cubit means the edge of your finger to the joint. That is cubit. Clear? So these are the measurements to measure the length of the objects using non-standard units. So I told you before, it is non-standard because it varies from person to person. Your mothers and fathers will be differing. Yours and mothers will be differing. Yours and fathers will be differing. Yours and your grandparents will be differing. So for each person and person, it will be differing. Clear, children? Okay. So in the next page, they have given need for standard measurement. Tabulate the length of your class table. Measure by 5 of your friends with non-standard unit. So you all will be having table at home. Yes or no, children? Consider any table. So here for friend 1, they have given friend 2, friend 3, friend 4, friend 5. So you just do the finger width, handspan and cubit. Measure the length of the table using finger with handspan and cubit, and tell your parents and your family members also to do that. Okay, so you are not going to school now, so you can't find with your friends. Clear? So you just do it with your family members. Clear, children? So find out the table length of the table using finger with handspan and cubit. Okay, so do this as homework, children. And also measure the length of a ribbon by your handspan. So that also you just do it with your family members. So measurements measured using non-standard units change from person to person. I told you already. Okay. So now see the measurement of length. Non-standard units, standard units. Non-standard units measurement varies from person to person. Finger width, handspan, cubit, pace, foot span. These are non-standard units, and standard units are measuring units are constant. The same for everything. So which has millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay. So millimeter and centimeter will be in your scale itself. So meter, using meter scale to measure the cloths. For example, I am saying to measure the cloths, it is used in textile shop. And measurement of kilometer. So I have to move to this kilometer from my school to my house. It's like that you will be saying. No, it can be measured by measured using tape. Okay. Smaller units will be measured using your scale, and the larger units will be measured using tape. Okay. So this is all the difference between the non-standard and standard units, children. So do those two activities as homework. So in the next class we will see how to measure and how to check millimeter, centimeter in your using your scale, and what are the standard units you have. Okay. Thank you.